What up, what up? Guess what I got? I have got my hands. Look at this. Brand new Audiobahn speakers. Component sets. I got brand new tweeters. I got all sorts of stuff. I mean, look. I've got a brand new Audiobahn poster. What are we gonna do with this? It's going in the Nissan. Let's make some door pods. Possibly something like this. It ain't the prettiest, but this was my passenger door. My next one will be better. And I had a couple mishaps. I think I had some glue dry when I was spraying it. And so I got like a couple lumps right there and a lump down here from what I don't know. But you know what? It's all good because you look at it from back here and we'll give it a thumbs up. Got a 6.5. This is a 5 1/4 and this is a 4-inch. All in all, it turned out pretty decent. I wanted to kind of show you the end product right here, and then I'm going to walk you through me making my door, my driver door. So let's get this door panel ripped off and let's get it. So I got to figure out where I'm going to put my speakers, right? So you can take your speakers, your speaker rings, and you want to just kind of stick them around the door, figure out what kind of configuration you want to do. And it's best to look while you're sitting in the vehicle and see how much space you have. Draw it up on cardboard and make a template and figure out which works best for you. Then once you do that, you want to transfer that to some wood. This is my wood template I've got. And I just want to kind of sit it on here, make sure it's good, you know. I'm thinking something like that. So now I kind of know where my panel's going to be. I'll know where I need to put my fiberglass insert, which is going to be the back side of my door pod. Once you cut this out, trace this again on your blank sheet of wood before you mess with this. Once you get it good, trace it out on another sheet of wood. I'm going to use a hole saw for the tweeters. This is I think it's 1.5 inches. Whatever. It works for what I got. I'm going to do it from the top first, and then go about halfway or whatever. Just don't go all the way through, and then come from the bottom. If not, when you press down, if you're using plywood, it presses all the way through the bottom. The plywood will shred and rip out, and it'll look terrible. Dang it. Look at that. You got trash. Oh. There we have it. So, like I probably said before, I got this cup holder right here. I'm gonna cut it out. I put it in a trash bag. That way I don't actually get my door panel dirty. I don't want to get fiberglass on my actual door panel. Cooking spray. So I got my chalk mat cut. Got my fiberglass resin mixing up. Do 12 ounces of resin for a teaspoon of the hardener. I'm gonna mix it up real good. All right, so it's the next day. I'll let this stuff dry. And I went around the perimeter of where I think my pod's gonna be, and I put another layer. So it's actually like 3 or 4 layers of fiberglass mat on the outer perimeter. But go, look at that mold right there. It's pretty solid. And position it, and then I'll be able to kind of draw where I want to cut. Alright, so just a little up close. I just took my Sharpie and kind of went around. Get my glare. First I was going to come down this line. Then I was like, you know what, I'll make it closer. And come around here. It dips down in here, so I want to keep it above that part. And then I'm just going to ride this fold. You can see where it folds down like this. I'm just gonna ride this edge and then basically just went around there. I just realized I should have been wearing a mask. So I got my mold. Cut out. See, it fits in there perfectly. Now I don't want to keep it like this, right? I want to cut out the inside. I'm just kind of marking the outside. If I was to take a line and draw around my speakers, right? That's kind of what I'm doing now. So I got the outside of my speaker. Alright, we can bring that in. I'll take this up. Just kind of connecting the dots, so to speak. There we go. So now we're gonna take our dowel. I swear, one of these days I should just have a bloopers outtake of all the stuff I messed up.